Folded Wishes by Ronald A Villaver, an origami-themed tile-placing abstract game where each move determines your future action. Thank you for the review copy from Larong Atin and for Sir Ronald himself, the game designer, for teaching us the game. In the box, you would find an instruction manual that not only teaches the game, but also comes with an instruction at the back for you to do actual origami. You'd also find double-sided starting pattern tiles, various skill cards. These are the starting player skill cards. Then, the journeyman skill cards. And finally, the master skill cards. You can distinguish them through their back prints. Meeples in the shape of origami cranes, birds, boats, and frogs. Origami paper. You can use this to execute the origami instructions in the instruction manual. Character cards, color-coded to distinguish between players. The front being the turn reference and the back being the fold action reference. The box itself is sturdy and can hold all the pieces conveniently. Folded Wishes has no solo mode but supports 2 to 4 players. With an average playtime of 15 minutes, its complexity is average. It's something that's easy to teach but has a big room for challenge. The win condition, in the words of Ronald A Villaver himself, are:
the objective of the game is to have it all in one line. You could also do that in a diagonal.
An average turn looks something like this. You place a pattern tile with your origami meeple on it anywhere on the outside perimeter of the tile's grid. You may then perform the fold action specified on your tile and the skill on your skill card. In this situation, the pink tile has 2 crumple action, which we'll talk about in a second. Activating the skill card allows the player to switch the crumple fold action into a corner fold action, which allows the player to move their own origami piece. Then, the player proceeds with the remaining crumple fold action, which allows the player to move the other player's origami piece. After folding and activating your skill, the player then pushes all the tiles in a straight line. The tile that was pushed out will be the player's new tile for the next round. The player now checks if the placement of their origami meeple on the tile grid matches a revealed skill card. If the placement of the origami piece matches the skill card revealed, then the player takes the skill card and may use it on subsequent rounds. Then we proceed with the next player until someone meets the winning condition. Here are some winning situations. Here, the player has a switch pattern tile, which the player uses to swap tiles with the tile containing the player's origami meeple. The player then pushes the tile in a straight line and forms the winning condition with all 4 meeple in a straight line. Here is a more complicated example where the player uses a mountain fold action to jump over another origami piece before pushing the tiles and creating the winning condition. Folded Wishes is an amazing game that is easy to learn but difficult to master. Partner that with its unique origami theme and you are left with this masterpiece of a tile placing game. For more board games made by Filipinos, check out Larong Atin on Facebook. And if you guys enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like and a share. And come join the family by smashing that follow. Which board game should we review next? Tell us in the comments below.